Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to stabilize shaky video clips using the free stabilizer feature in InShot mobile app. So if you have a handheld video that looks a little too shaky, you can make it look much smoother without needing to pay for a spirit stabilization feature in another editing app. And the best part is InShot will let you use this feature just for free, 100% free. Okay, let's get started. First, just make sure InShot app is updated to the latest versions. The stabilizer tool is available in your versions of the app. So if you don't see it, just check the Play Store or App Store to update InShot first. And once your app is updated, just open the InShot and just import your video that you want to stabilize. And then next, just I will first duplicate this video and I will place it above the main video so we can easily compare the original footage. I will duplicate it like this and I will move it to the overlay like this, and then I want to minimize, for example, like this, and then next let's stabilize the original clip. Just tap on the main video clip and then just look for the stabilizers tool, this one you can see it. And then in here you can see the three different stabilization level: low, standard, and most stable. Let's start with low. The low level is apply a lighter stabilization effect. It will reduce some of the camera shake while keeping most of the original movement, so the video can still look natural. Let's just compare it with the original one, with the like this. You can see it's a little bit stable more than this original video. And then let's just take a look for the standard. This provide a stronger balance between smoothness and natural movement, and it will reduce more the shaking without making the footage looks overly processed. And for most everyday clips, I think this level can be a great choice. Let's just apply it and let's just take a look for the difference. Like this, you can see it. Like this, it's more stable. And then next, let's just take a look for the most stable level. Like this. As the name suggests, this is the strongest stabilization options. It can make a very shaky clip look significantly smoother, but keep in mind that stronger stabilizations may crop or zoom into the footage more because the app needs to compensate for the camera movement. So let's just take a look for the difference. Like this, you can see it. It's really different. This is the stable one and this is the original one. So which level should you use? In here, I think it really depends on your footage. If your video only has a little bit of shake, low level may be enough. And if you want to a good balance between stability and natural movement, medium is usually a great choice. And if your footage is extremely shaky and you don't mind some additional cropping, you can try high level or more stable level. And once you found the level that looks best, simply apply it and just continue editing your video as usual. And okay, that's it. Now you know how to stabilize shaky video clips directly in the InShot mobile app for free without needing to pay for an additional stabilization feature. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.